YouTubers, JDCap26 here with just doing the repair and tips, and somebody had a question about what fittings come with the tank. And you get the gauge, you get this fitting all set up, you get this fitting here, and there's a relief valve in the back, see it right there, to let the air out. That typically screws in to tighten it up to keep the air in. And we set it up, what you need is like a 90-degree right here, and a female fitting. I used a female fitting because on the hose right here is a male fitting. I used a male fitting to let air out, water out of the tank. When you dechuck it every time, it let all the condensation out of the tank, so you don't have to do it at the bottom of the tank. And you just chuck it in there and fill your air in up to the desired pressure. This pot's rated about 80 pounds. When you do your fittings, you're gonna check them all. This one I didn't have to touch over here, but you check them all, you pressure test them, and you find which ones are leaking with soapy water and a spray bottle under pressure. And I used 545 Loctite, and you put your fittings on there, let that dry 3 days. If you have any questions, please leave them below. The company that sells these are very good at answering emails, so please go to them for any other questions you have besides what I have here. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and please rate and subscribe and share.